Everybody already knows America runs on credit. The 3-digit credit score represents how likely a person is to pay his or her bills, and it impacts almost every aspect of American finance, from car loans, landlords, insurance companies, and even getting a job. Having a low or no credit score can have severe financial consequences. Did you know that 42% of Americans were denied a financial product in the past year due to their credit score? But some credit experts argue that the current credit reporting and scoring systems have major issues. And guess what? I have the remedy. It's the Fair Credit Reporting Act combined with our in-house attorney applying major pressure to credit bureaus, creditors, and collection agencies to remove negative items from our customers' credit reports. Let's take a look at a letter we received from a collection agency regarding one of our clients. Here's in part what the letter says. Our office is in receipt of your letter regarding the above referenced individual. Their account was removed from our office on 9/27/2022. A request was sent to the 3 national credit bureaus at the time to have this account removed from your client's credit file. That's what real credit repair looks like. You as the customer are being represented by an attorney. If you have any credit issues and you're looking for real results, click the link down in the description for a free consultation.